Hello! In this video, I will show you how you can change the drawing units and the cursor appearance. The cursor appearance is a part of the program's settings, meaning that if you open a new or existing drawing, the cursor appearance is the same because these are common settings for all drawings. On the other hand, the unit settings are drawing settings, meaning if you open a new drawing or an existing one, you may get different units as the units are not a part of the software itself. They are a part of the drawing. This is the reason that if you want to change the cursor settings by making it bigger, you will have to go to Tools, then Options, and under Display Settings, you will select Cursor Options. And for example, I will place it on 100%. And you can see that the appearance has changed. The box in the middle of the cursor is called a pick box, and this belongs to the drawing settings. Therefore, if you want to change the size of the pick box, you have to go on Drawing Settings, and here under Coordinate Input and Entity Selection, you will be able to change the size of the pick box. And now you can see that it is larger. I will now show you how to change the units. Units are a part of the drawing, and you will have to go under Drawing Settings in order to change the unit. And here under Drawing Units, you see that you can change the angular and linear units. And for example, if you work in an architectural area, you can change the units to architectural. And here you can change the units to inches, feet, miles, etc. Now, if you want to input the coordinates, for example, draw and line, you must input in the following methods. If you want to put 2.5 inches, you must write 2-1.5. If you go here on Geometry Properties, you can see that the start point is 2.5 inches. But it is especially important that you do not put a space between 2 and 1/2, because in the program space means enter. Therefore, you will use a hyphen instead. For example, if you want to begin the line by 3 feet, 2.5 inches, you must input this type of coordinate. And if you go here on Geometry, you see 3 feet, 2.5 inches. Now, if you need the units during a creation of a new drawing, you have two possibilities. You can create your own template of DWT, or you select New and create an entirely new drawing, and you can choose the units. Alright, that's all we have for this video. I really appreciate your time, and I shall see you on the next one.